Hi, Matt Garrett here with a super quick taster video of the new Blog Niche Tools plugin from WP Toolkit. Now we're focusing on the essentials of blogging, the basic stuff that often gets ignored. In other words, content and keywords. The first step is content, and for this the plugin has a bulk article importer facility. So we simply click on bulk article importer, it brings up the screen, click on browse, choose the file for the articles that you want to import, and yes, we include thousands of articles with the plugin, and then click on upload the zip for processing. And the plugin will deal with the posting for you automatically. So down the bottom here you have the choice of whether it's scheduled, draft, or publish straight away. So if you go into draft, they will be sat there in draft. You can play around with them and post them manually when you want to. Scheduled will actually post them for you on the time basis that you prefer. So one every 24 hours, one every 36 hours, one every 5 hours, whatever you want it to be set up as. You can choose a specific author, or you can go with random, and you can choose which category they're going into. So I'm just going to click on process and let that do its job. Okay, and that job now appears in the queue. This is the one here where we've got a total of 7 articles. They haven't been imported yet. They're in the queue. You can see here's a job I ran yesterday, same 7 articles, and those have actually been imported. I set that up to post on an hourly basis. So let's actually go across to the posts and see those that I prepared earlier. So here we have the 7 articles I imported yesterday, and I set them up or scheduled them to post on an hourly basis, and you can see that they were posted on that basis. They're there, our content is done. Really quick and easy way of getting content onto your blog. Now the next step is that we probably want to edit these and put some keywords in there to help them rank on the keywords that we're targeting. So let's go back to Blog Niche Tools and choose trending keywords. Now one of those articles was about debt management, so let's pop in the keyword debt management, and you'll see it pops up with a wide selection of trending keywords based on that initial term, debt management, from different engines: Google, Yahoo, Bing, YouTube, Amazon, and eBay, if there were any. So we can then quickly go through and pick the keywords that we feel are relevant to that particular article that we want to target. Simple way of doing it at this point though, all I'm going to do is copy those keywords into a clipboard. Let's actually paste them here in a text file. If we hit Control V, I've got all those keywords that the tool has found for me in a text file, and I can then go across to the post and pick out whichever those keywords that I want to include in that post. But before I go across to edit the post, there's one more thing I want to do, something that again nowadays is very important for your content, for engagement. You want to add some images. So let's go to the free stock photos part of the Blog Niche Tools plugin, and as you can see we're going to be searching across Pixabay, Unsplash and Pexels, all of which have royalty-free images that you can use. You do need to include the accreditation, but the system will do that for you. So let's use our keyword, let's say debt, and do a search, and let's see what it comes up with. And I can simply scroll through and look for images that I like. I actually quite like that one, squeezing your wallet. So I can either download that to my local computer, or I can choose the option here to add it to our media library. So I click on that, that has now gone in to my media library, and I can use that from an article post. There's another similar one here. There's quite a good debt picture there. Basically it's going to come up with hundreds if not thousands of relevant keyword related images that you can quickly grab, add to your media library, and you can then include in your posts. So let's head across to that post. This is 4 tips to hiring a better debt management firm, and what I want to do first of all is I want to include an image here at the top. So let's go and click on add media, and from our media library you'll see we've got that image of the squeezed wallet. So all I'm going to do is click on that. You'll see it has the caption, which is the attribution which you need to be able to use that legally. Go ahead and click on insert into post. We now have an image with attribution within our post, and we can click on update. Okay, so let's move on to the third and final part of the puzzle. Those keywords we generated and copied from the clipboard into our text pad here that are related specifically to debt management firms or debt management. I'm going to have a quick zoom through and pick out a couple. I can see straight away one that I like, debt management plan companies. But if I scroll down, you'll spot that there are loads of relevant, highly congruent keywords that we can use for this post. So all I then need to do is pop back into my post. Let's pop one in as a title. Obviously, I'm not taking any time to format this. I'm just going to pop it in as a header too. You'd probably want to format that a bit better. Let's also add one as a tag. And let's scroll on down. We're using a keyword SEO plugin. This is all-in-one SEO pack. You could use Yoast SEO, whichever one works for you. And we're simply making sure that we're popping the relevant keywords into the keyword section in the plugin for this post. So let's grab another one. What else we got? Debt management services. Let's grab that one as well. Pop that in. And again, you can see how quick and easy it is to find the keywords that are being searched on, that are relevant and related to this particular article. Pop them in as tags, pop them as keywords, pop them into your article itself, click on update, you're done. That's what this plugin does for you. Blog Niche Tools covers the essentials you need for good quality content that will rank with images, with keywords. So there you go, 3 essential tools in one plugin, making sure you get your blog content right as quick as possible with targeted keywords for ranking and relevant images for engagement. Niche blogging doesn't need to be difficult when you have the right tools, and WP Toolkit have you covered. Thanks for watching.